Hey CA Grade, this is Dream Factory News. We're your hosts, Mahela May
and Camry Santa.
This week we'll be talking about Black History Month, 8th grade registration and parent night, and other school and local events.
Last week's riddle answer was a coffin. This week's riddle is, what is 3/7 chicken, 2/3 cat, and 2/4 goat?
Teachers, make sure you send in your students' answers to Miss Kelly for a chance to win. Now, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now for a moment of silence.
Let's not forget Sierra Grade Junior High School's mission. Sierra Grade Junior High School's mission is to provide a community support to all students, to ensure a safe learning environment, and to equip all students with strategies for a successful transition beyond the junior high level.
Now on to this week's featured expectation.
Are you good with a cake design or clever with puns? Do you like to play with your food? CA Grade's 7th Annual Edible Book Fair will be held on February 23rd. The contest is open to any student or staff who would like to stop by the Media Center to sign up. Impress us with your creativity and have a chance to win a trophy, ribbons, Chick-fil-A gift cards, and more. Students will learn more this week in your ELA classes. Be sure to sign up by February 17th.
Tuesday, February 7th is Parent Night for rising 9th graders, so be sure to be there. February 8th, 9th, 10th, 13th, and 14th are rising 9th grade registration days, so 8th graders be preparing for that.
FBLA is collecting blankets and pillows to donate to the nursing home, so make sure you donate before February 13th.
Next Friday is PBIS Movie Day, so make sure to be good.
February 13th marks the beginning of FFA week. We will hear from the officers next week.
Downtown Moultrie is having a sidewalk sale this Saturday, February 11th. Lots of food trucks will be there, and all the shops will be open.
February is Black History Month. Let's hear about it.
Black History Month is a very important month because African Americans have fought through many hardships throughout the years to where we are right now, and to Black excellence who paved the way to America.
Happy Black History Month.
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 This week's clubs are FCCLA, Junior Key Club, Technology, Reading, Hacker Leadership, Anime and Manga, and Chess Club.
8th graders, don't forget about registration and parent night.
We'll see you next week, Sierra Grade. This is Dream Factory News, signing off.